Copy paste, earn $355 and promote affiliate links for absolutely and 100% free with ClickBank affiliate marketing. So hey guys, what's up and welcome back with another brand new and exciting strategy. In this video, I'm going to share with you 100% copy and paste method that you can implement and you can use and maximize the result from that. So I'm going to share with you step by step in this brilliant tutorial. So I just want you to just watch the video to the very end to do not miss any single part of the strategy. If you miss, then you will be confused and you will not fully understand it how exactly this method and this strategy is working. It's a brilliant method and free traffic sources that you have never seen and you have never shared on the YouTube marketplace or on the internet right here. So stay tuned to the very end of this video. I'm going to share with you step by step. Before starting the method, I would just request you to watch the video to the very end and hit the like button as an appreciation. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification and all. Whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So if you watch me to the very end of this video, I will share with you a bonus step that you can maximize the result from that. So let's begin the strategy that how exactly it is working. The first and important thing is that in this affiliate marketing tutorial that you need to sign up with a website such as ClickBank. If you don't have the ClickBank or that is not available in your country, of course you can sign up for Digistore 24, Warrior Plus, 𝐔𝐍𝐈𝐐𝐤, any affiliate networks you are preparing or interested. Use simply this method in this strategy. At the back side, you can see a huge amount of result from that and a decent amount of money every single day from this method right here. So the first step is that to sign up and then you can simply log into your account right here. I'm using the ClickBank and I already log into my account right here, and you can simply log in and you go to the marketplace right here, and then you can simply scroll down and you can simply see here a lot of products available right here on the marketplace right here that you can simply see here. You can choose any category you want right here, but I use randomly on the first page or the second page. I can use this website, this product right here that get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, which is paying $37 for sales right here as a recurring commission. We can also get 49, means almost $50 every single month from a single guy. They sign up every single month. We can earn this amount of money from them right here. So we can simply just click on the promote button and grab our affiliate links from here. For example, we just simply just click on that and we can add our ClickBank ID right here, and we can also use, for example, a tracking ID anywhere for you want. For example, you can use the free traffic. We can simply use and click on the generate hop link and then copy the link from here and close this and shorten this link with bit.ly or TinyURL right here. Anyone you are interested with that, you can simply use, click on the create button right here, and you will have a shortened bit.ly link right here, and you can simply just copy that from here. So once you copy that, then you can spread anywhere you want right here. But if you want to have the sales page right here, so click here. If you want to have the affiliate tools area right here to get more information about this product, you can simply click here. So I just need to go right here. This is the main sales page. If we redirect someone with our own special affiliate links, so they will be redirected to this page right here. And if we just go to the affiliate tools area right here, so this will be the page that they can provide us the free contents right here, such as a hop link generator, landing page, pixel tracking, email swipes, banner, rebrandable reports, for example, other offers, support team, demographics, PPC ads, short ads, video ads, product images. So these are the different contents that we can simply have. We can also click on the videos and we will have unlimited videos right here. For example, any video we want, for example, we can simply have it. For example, this is the video. We can simply just download it right here by just clicking the download option, and we can simply have downloaded right here. Or even,
hey there, did you
let me just close this, and we can have the option right here to
know
download.
that you could get paid to
Otherwise, you can
spend time on
click here to download
Facebook,
this
Twitter,
video,
and
and we
YouTube?
can simply
As
just
you
click
know,
on that.
businesses of all sizes are getting a presence in social media. Spend time on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.
Okay, and then you will have the option here, and then click on the download button. Once you click on this download button, automatically it will be downloaded right here. But most of the time they don't have, most of the offers, they don't have the video so that you can simply promote. So for that reason, I will show you the simple trick that you can simply use. But this one right here we have. So we have the video, we have the bit.ly or tin URL right here for absolutely free, and we are good to go to promote right here with this page right here. So how we can promote it, I can simply show you easily that how you can promote it and what will be the best website that we can simply promote anywhere we want right here. So the exact method and exact strategies right here that we can simply promote this offer right here at the backside that we can earn money. So for that reason, we just need to go to the website like SimilarWeb right here, and we will have the SimilarWeb.com right here, and the main website will be Rumble.com. So Rumble.com is one of the best and coolest website that and free traffic source that we can simply use it right here. But I will show you a bonus step that how we can create videos, the exact videos, your own videos that you can simply promote it right here. So before showing you that, I would like to show you that how many traffic is coming to this website. 150 million free traffic source is coming, and people are coming from all over the world to this website for absolutely free. And we can use like 57% are coming from the United States right here, Canada, then Australia, then United Kingdom, then Germany. So these are the biggest countries right here that we can simply see here, and we can simply promote our offers with them right here. So how we can do that step by step right here with this website, that how we can reach to this website. So we just need to search in the Google and we will be visiting this page right here, rumble.com. And these are the different people that they are uploading different contents and videos right here. For example, this guy is uploading, for example, on 26th February right here, for example, 2 days ago, and they got something like 73,000 views right here, and this guy at 9 million views right here, and this 30,000 views. So these are the different contents that they are just uploading people, and they are getting a huge amount of views and engagement right here on this website, so for absolutely free right here. So the exact thing was that I was about to share with you that how we can use. So before we can simply show you, I will show you another website as well that you can also include those videos on this website and also upload it into this website also, bitchute.com. Bitchute is another greatest video platform like YouTube, and you can absolutely sign up or register for absolutely free, and the same video you upload it to rumble.com, you can use the same video, the same title, the same description, and to bitchute.com. So this is also one of the best and coolest website that you can simply use that. So how we can do that and how we can upload the video, we just need to click on the upload button right here to upload the video right here to this page right here. And here it will require to upload the video. For example, this is the video, I just need to upload it right here. This is just an example right here, okay? And here is the title, here is the description that we just need to use right here. But before showing you that, before making you this, how we can do that right here, okay? So I will also show you a bonus step right here. You just need to go to canva.com. If you don't have the video, so what you need to do, you just need to go to the canva.com and just type, for example, free presentation or something like that. You just need to type and you will have this size available. You just need to click on that. Once you click on that size right here, you will be redirected to another page right here that you will have free templates, but we can simply click on the blank template right here. Once you click on the blank template right here, so you can have it right here, this page, and inside of this page you will have different pages. You just need to create multiple pages right here that you want. For example, I will just select 3 or 4 or something like that. So on the first page, what you need to do, you can simply upload that video right here. For example, this is the video, I just need to upload it right here and text it on this page right here.
Hey there! Did you know that you could get...
Let me just stop it. Okay, I can simply just use this video right here on the first page right here. Okay, and then I can simply just go to the next page right here. For the next page, you just need to go to the sales page right here, for example, or affiliate tools area right here. For example, you just need to have a catchy title, description, or something like that, that it is satisfying right here, that you can simply use it right here on this page. For example, whatever you want, you need to just have a screenshot from that right here. For example, online social media jobs that pay $25 to $50 per hour right here. You just need to have a screenshot of that. If you don't have the screenshot tools or how you can do that, you just need to go to, for example, you just need to go to, for example, uh, a Chrome extension. There are many Chrome extension available on the Google. You just need to just use that, install into your Chrome, and then come back right here and just use it right here. So on the second page, once you come right here, then you just need to just test it right here on the screenshot, and you just need to do right here on the screenshot, because that will simply show you the offer that you are promoting right here on this page. Okay, so simply that will be a free quiz right here that these people can do. And then you just need to go to the third page, and you just need to give a call to action button. For example, make 150 make 100, or sorry, make $500 per day, quick and easy, using social media. Just give a text, something like that right here. Okay, or then after that, just give a call to action here. For example, check out the full training link in the description, or something like that. You can simply use it right here. For example, check out the first link in the description for full training, and then your video will be set up right here. You just need to click on the download button, and you can simply download it right here. Once you download it right here, you just need to upload it to this website right here, and you can simply give uh, a title right here. For example, make 500, or make, for example, 500 plus per day using social media, something like that. Okay, you can simply use. Okay, and then you can simply copy the same title from here and paste it in the description. Then you can simply tell people, for example, click here for more details. Okay, something like that. You can simply add, and then you can add your link from here. Okay, just go to bit.ly.com, copy the link. Once you copy the link, you paste the link right here and choose the thumbnail from here, and then use the keyword, for example, like make money online, something like that. Try to separate the keywords by comma, and then use the channel if you want. Then after that, you just click on the upload button right here. Okay, once you click on the upload button, you will be redirected to this page right here. So this will be video management. You just need to click on the first one or the second one right here, and then you can simply scroll down, and then you simply agree to term and conditions right here, and then you click submit, and that will be submitted on this page right here. And you already put the link in the description, and the same content, video, title, description, including your link, you can simply copy that, and you just need to go to this bit.ly.com and sign up, register for free account, log in, and then upload it to this page right here. So the magic is here. For example, if one video you upload, it will not work. If you upload multiple videos, like 1, 2, 3 videos, up to 3 videos per day, so it can rank, and the backside you will get a huge amount of money from that. So once again, I would like to tell you that one video will not work. Make sure that you just select 3 videos per day to upload to these web pages or to these channels, and you will get a huge amount of money from that. So if you want to have a comprehensive training from A to Z, check out the first link in the description, and you will learn from A to Z that how you can exactly making money online.